What are Hilton Hotels corporate codes? Hilton corporate codes price is usually only used by employees. When using corporate codes to check in, relevant enterprise employee certificates or corresponding company email will be required to verify identity. Because the number of annual travel and meetings of employees in large companies is relatively large, they usually directly sign a discount price with the hotel group to reduce travel costs, which is also considered as an employee benefit. The discount may be 10% off the regular rate, or sometimes even more. Many employees do not know their own firm's corporate code. During my business trips, I always found myself sharing travel tips to my colleagues on many different engagements. Only a few knew how to get the discounts they had available to them. You can visit my blog through the link in the description to get more code and usage details of Hilton Hotel. About the Team Member Program. The Team Member and Hilton Family Travel Program is a way Hilton has come up with to reward their employees by offering them and their family members discounted room rates at their chain of hotels. The program is open to all regular full-time and part-time employees of Hilton worldwide and its subsidiary companies. By just getting online and going to the Team Member and Hilton Family Travel Program, a regular full-time or part-time Hilton employee can sign up for this service and then book a room at Hilton Hotel at a special discounted rate. The system is easy to use and completely free for employees. All regular team members working in the Americas, whether full-time or part-time, are eligible for this leisure travel benefit. At Hilton Team Member Travel booking site, you will be allowed to book the existing team member rate and the new Hilton Family Travel Program. The team member rate provides a special rate to team members who will travel on leisure. It may give you a deep discount off standard rates, and you can also book discounted room rate for yourself and your family through the new Hilton Family Travel Program, which is available in all hotels worldwide. Is identification required to use company code? Online, I often have read about people concerned by using a corporate rate because they feel the hotel will be asking for identification at check-in in order to confirm eligibility for the discounted corporate rate. Typically, I am asked for a form of corporate identification less than 10% of the times I have a reservation using a corporate rate. When I am actual employee, I typically show my business card, but when I am a contractor or supplier, I just say so. No further details are needed. Typically, my answer to a request of corporate ID to prove my relationship with the company holding the contract with the hotel chain sounds like, "Sorry, I am a contractor, supplier, customer." Not a single time I was asked any additional question or challenged further. How to use Hilton Hotel code? There are two ways to book a room enjoying a corporate rate: calling the hotel and asking for the rate, or booking on the hotel website using the corporate or contract code. The more convenient way to book the room is using the corporate code and going directly to the hotel website providing the code during the reservation. There is usually a field called corporate code, or corporate contract, or discount code. Enter the code you obtained and you can see the price after the discount.